The two-day crucial meeting of Goods and Services Tax Council is taking place today in Assam's capital, Guwahati. The meeting is discussing changing items from 28% tax slab rates to other goods. A total of 174 items will be brought from the 28% slab to the 18% bracket. GST rates have been slashed from 28 to 18% on chewing gum, chocolate, detergent, baking powder, among other things. Also, GST has been slashed on shaving cream, makeup items, aftershave lotions, granite, shampoo, you name it. There will be an annual revenue impact of 20,000 crore rupees per year for the centre. Remember, this has been a matter of a huge debate in India, with the opposition cornering the government on how GST impacts the common man, and now the government has decided to bring 174 items of daily use from the highest slab, which is 28%, to 18%, and that will give a huge relief. What is also important to note is that this decision comes just ahead of crucial state elections. Himachal Pradesh and Gujarat going to the polls. The first phase of polling in Himachal Pradesh happened yesterday with a record turnout, and Gujarat, which is a prestige battle for the Indian Prime Minister, is going to vote in the coming months. So this does give a huge relief to the consumers. The economic impact, as we said, on the government, 20,000 crore rupees in revenue is what the state exchequer will be losing annually because of this decision. Sumit Chaturvedi, my colleague, joining us. Sumit, do we have a fair idea of what is going to come in today's announcement?
Palki, in total of 174 items will be brought from 28% slab to 18% slab. So they'll be cheaper by 10%. And most of the goods are of consumer category, like chewing gum, and we can see that deodorant, furniture, soaps, shaving creams. These things are among those the items that touch a common person, a common man directly. And these things will be brought down from 28% slab to 18% slab. So 10% reduction directly on these items. Only 50 items will be there in 28% slab now, as against around more than 200 items earlier. The logic of the government is that now only very luxury items or sin items will be put under the 28% category. All other items will be put under this 18% category only. Also, one decision that could be taken is to incentivize, we can say that, e-payments or digital payments. But that decision will be clear by today evening only, when the council finishes its two-day meeting that is taking place in Assam's capital, Guwahati. But for now, yes, the sources have revealed that in majority of the items, they have been brought down from 28% to 10% to 18%, giving a relief of 10% on these items.
What has forced the government, if that is the right term, to cut the tax slab from 28 to 18% on 174 items, Sumit?
Well, that's been a demand of consumer groups, traders lobby, and a lot of other, we can say, the stakeholders, that government inadvertently had put in so many items in the 28% bracket that they had become quite costly. And remember, these costly items adds up to the inflation of the country. So inflation could have gone up had these items not put from 28% to 18%, because inflation, the consumer price inflation, comprises of these household items on which the goods, the tax has been reduced from 28% to 18%. So inflation could have been one reason. Second was the demand from all these corners that why government is making the cost of living is difficult for all these people, all the stakeholders. And another, yeah, as you rightly pointed out, in the coming elections, that can give some kind of relief to the government, especially with the trade conscious states like Gujarat.